In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Pinterest. If you don't know what Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information using images and animated GIFs and videos. To sign up for Pinterest, you'll need to go to the website of Pinterest, which is pinterest.com. Next, you will need to click on the sign up option located on the top right. As you click the sign up page, a pop-up window will open. From here, you can either sign up using your email address or you can continue sign up using your Google account. For now, I'm going to choose to use my email address. Enter in your email address and then create a password. Make sure that your password is strong by including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Now type in your age and then hit continue. Now select your gender. Now from here you'll be able to select all the things that you are interested for. After you're done, hit done. And just like that, you have been signed up for Pinterest. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. And we'll be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.